आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आवर नेशनल फ्लैग टॉपिक पर इंग्लिश में स्पीच कैसे करनी है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। आवर नेशनल फ्लैग, रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम and good morning. Today I will talk about our national flag. Our flag has green and white colors with a crescent and a star. The green color shows the Muslim majority. The white color represents peace and the rights of minorities. The crescent means progress. The star means light and guidance. The national flag is a symbol of our country, unity and pride. It reminds us to love our nation, be honest, and work hard for its progress. We should always respect our flag and never let anyone disrespect it. It is our duty to honor it at schools, events, and all national occasions. In conclusion, I want to say our national flag is our pride, our identity, and our honor. Let us always respect it. Thank you.